Okay, so as we discussing the practicals, the second topic regarding the solution. Okay, the mixture and the compound. The second practical is on mixture and compound. We were on the observation part of that experiment, but I will discuss on that experiment on the next class, because the other sections are they are behind, okay, due to the lack of class. So on the next day we will start from the next part. Clear? Yes, good afternoon. Okay, now come to the practical is about the mixture and compound. Okay, the second practical we are discussing is about mixture and practical on compound, and the components were the sulfur powder, iron, okay, and they have to be heated, they have to be tested with the magnet, and they have to be tested with the solvent. These etc characteristics, it should be done on the mixtures. Any characteristics change from the previous to the latter one is to be considered, and this should be noted on the observation table, which will be discussed on the latter class. Okay, now today, just like the previous class, I will discuss some kind of question for you. Now for your final exam, you will follow the latest board pattern, that is the last for the sample question paper, which is uploaded on CBSE website for the year 2021. Okay, this should be followed for the question of 80 marks. Okay, and there is the assertion reason type question. Now what is assertion reason type question? Are you aware about this type of question? That is the questions given from any text. Are you aware about that, the assertion reason type question? Please respond. Otherwise I will discuss first about the question, that how to solve this question. No. Okay, no problem. So today I will discuss about one new kind of question, that is assertion reason. Okay, this will take round about 3 or 4 marks, including overall the science, as you have physics, chemistry and biology in your syllabus, in your science. So these 3 or 4 questions will come throughout these 3 topics, that is physics, chemistry and math. But the basic, the theory behind the question is same, that the basic technique is the same. Now, okay, now first listen the question, how it will come. Okay, I will start. In each of the following questions, 2 statements A and R are given. In each of the following questions, 2 statements A and R are given. Read the statements carefully and mark the answer. Okay, now 2 statements A and R. A, that is assertion, and B is the reason. Now these 2 are 2 statements. Okay, now what A means assertion, yes. So 2 statements will be given. Now with respect to these 2 statements, we have to judge the next 4 points will be given. Okay, now with respect to these, the 4 points, that is A, B, C and D will be given, and your answer will be anyone, that is option Suppose B is the correct answer, then the option B, you have to write only this. If B is the correct answer, then you have to write option B only. Okay. So overall, the whole discussion on the question is internally done, and it is a multiple choice type question. Now, what is in option A? In option A, it tells that A is true. A is true and A is okay. Now the option is A and R, that is assertion and reason, are correct. Assertion and reason are correct, and A is and R is correct reason for A, and R is correct reason of A. Now, two statements will be given. Now you have to judge well the statements and its underneath theory, and then you have to correlate these two statements A and B, if it having any link with them. If another one, that is any one statements giving the reason behind this. Suppose a statement is that rain is going on. This is assertion. Okay, and reason tells that the statement is that the sky is full of cloud. Okay, so first statement assertion is that rains is falling heavily, and reason statement tells that the sky is filled with cloud. Now from these two simple sentences, they are correlated with each another. How? Both are correct, and that is the second statement giving the reason of the first, because as the sky is dense with the cloud, so it is raining heavily. Understood? So in that way you have to put this kind of theory on the on your subject matter. It may be from the physics, chemistry or biology. Now next question, next is that up to that everyone clear? Up to that everyone clear or not? Okay, next is that option B. Option B will tells that A and R are correct, but R is not the reason. R is not the reason of A. A and R are correct, but R is not the reason of A. Okay, so they are not linked, but they may be true. Okay, now in the same example, if the raining is heavily, okay, this is one statement. Another one statement is that the sun rises today at 6 o'clock, that is 6 a.m. The sun rises at 6 a.m. Okay, so these are two statements, but they are true, but they are not correlated with each another. So in that case, in that type of situation, the options will be B. Understood? That first statement, that is assertion, was it is raining heavily, and assertion B is the sun rises today at 6 a.m. Both the statements are correct, but they are not linked with each another, just like the opposite to the previous one. So in that case, it is the option will be B. Understood? Next is that option C is A is correct and R is wrong. Now this is another one topic. So option C tells that A is correct, but R is false. Okay, and option D, is the reverse of that. A is wrong, but R is correct. So this depends on the given, the statements given. Okay. Now just one example. Up to this the question is clear, that in which state we have to think about. Question is clear to everyone? Respond quickly, because this kind of question will start from class 9 and you have to take it with you up to class 12, up to the latest syllabus. Sarakesh, Abhinandan, Amrita, Arpit, Nafisha, Samrat, Asraful, Naim, Rajanna, Suhana. Clear? Okay. Now I will tell you two statements. So I can rub it. Now I can tell you two statements and you will tell me the option. Which one will be the option? The options will be same. Okay. A option, the options given, it will be the same every time. Now the statements A is tells that evaporation of water in a china dish is faster than that in a test tube. Evaporation of water in a china dish is faster than a test tube. Okay, this is assertion. And reason. What is the reason? The reason is that evaporation is a surface phenomena. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. Okay. Now the option, four options: A, B, C and D. Now you have to tick in any one. A having the same, just told earlier that the assertion is right, reason is also right, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Option B, assertion and reason both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Option C, assertion is correct, reason is false. Option D, assertion is false, reason is correct. Now I hope everyone can answer this question. Yes, yes. This is option A. Now this is a picture of a china dish. Okay. Now this is a test tube. Now obviously it is filled up with the solution and it is also having some solution here. Okay. Now this is a surface phenomenon obviously. So here it is open, but here the mouth is a very small area. So the assertion is correct and reason is also correct, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Yes, option A. Anyone present on that call having any confusion regarding the answer, regarding the question, then he can ask me, he or she can ask me. No one. Okay. Next statement. Cotton cloths are more suitable in summer. This is option A. Cotton cloths are more suitable in summer. Okay. And option B, that is R, tells that cotton is a synthetic fiber. So cotton cloths are more comfortable in summer. Okay. And reasons tells that cotton is a synthetic fiber. Now, okay. Now the answer is A. B, C, D. Now which one is correct here? You can do it. A is correct, R is false. A is correct, but R is not correct. Yes, A is correct, R is false. This is on option C. Okay. This is on option C. So we will tick on option C, or we will write answer equal to C, and then we can write A is true but R is false. Next question. On heating iodine crystal, iodine vapors are formed. This is on assertion. On heating iodine crystal, iodine vapors are formed. And reason tells that iodine easily undergoes sublimation. Only 1 marks. 1 marks. Because you having 20 marks. 20 marks at first. So these 20 marks will cover such kind of questions. Okay. The basic part come from all over the 3 aspects. Okay. So next one was iodine easily iodine vapor heating iodine crystal. On heating iodine crystal, comma, iodine vapors are formed. Iodine vapors are formed. Okay. R tells that I2 sublimes easily. Now already question came. All are saying that option A is correct and R is the explanation of assertion. Yes. So option A is the correct here. So A, that is A is correct, R is also correct, and R is the correct explanation of the first one. Next one, solids are generally rigid and have definite shape. Assertion tells that solids are rigid and having definite shape. This is true. Next one, solids have definite mass and volume. Solids have definite mass and volume. So first statement is that solids are generally rigid and have definite shape. Statement R, solid have definite mass and volume. Now which option, A or B or C or D? Yes, both are correct and not explanation of A. R is not correct. Arpit, it is not option A, it is of option B. So the option B, that means A and R both are correct and R is not the correct explanation because they are not linked with each another. They are saying about 2 properties of solid, but they are not linked. I am just repeating it. Statement A, solid having, solids are generally rigid and have definite shape. Solids are generally rigid and have definite shape. Okay, and B is that solids have definite mass and volume. Solids have definite mass and volume. Both are correct. They are saying about the properties of solid, but they are not linked. Next one, gases expand on heating. This is assertion, that is A, and R is that particles of gas move away from each other on increasing the temperature of gas. I am repeating once. Gases expand on heating. This is A, and R is that particles of gas move away from each other on increasing the temperature of gas. Now, which option? A, B, C or D? Yes, correct. So, here option will be A. Under the option A, that is A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay. Okay, so this is a new kind of question. We will discuss on this kind of question on the next classes also. Okay, so have you understood everyone from this kind of question, that is assertion reason type question? Okay, okay, so that's all for today's class.